This presentation is about blended learning in Statistical Science 1024, which is an introductory course in statistics. The course development and evaluation is supported by the 2011 Fellowship in Teaching Innovation. 5 faculty members from the Department of Statistical and Actuarial Sciences involved in the course development and evaluation are Bethany White, David Bellhouse, Sohail Khan, Mary Millard, Duncan Murdoch, and 3 graduate students, Elizabeth Renouf, Maggie Chu, and myself, Laurie Murray. Our involvement was in the development of the course materials, and this was done during the 2011 academic year so that the course could be offered to students starting in September 2012. I also had the opportunity to be the instructor for the first offering of the new blended course. What is a blended course? A blended course is a new course format that consists of 2 components: face-to-face learning or classroom learning and online learning. So it is the blend of these 2 components that gives it its name. There are many ways to set up a blended course within the 2 components, and this is our design for the introductory course in statistics. For face-to-face learning, we have an introduction lecture to outline the details of the new course format for the students. Also, in-class activities that highlight important ideas of the course materials done in groups, tutorials, review sessions, office hours, and a Stats Help Center. For the online learning component, we use OWL and have online lecture notes, screencasts, pre-activity quizzes, discussion boards, textbook website that's called Stats Portal, and email communication. For in-class learning, the course schedule is set up such that the students meet once a week for approximately 90 minutes. To do this, the class is divided into 4 lab sections, with 2 lab sections running concurrently. There are 6 activities held every other week with 5 students in each group, and here they learn hands-on statistical concepts. During the 3 non-activity weeks in Term A or 4 non-activity weeks in Term B, the tutorials are held by the TAs. So together we have 1 introduction lecture, 6 activities, 3 or 4 tutorials depending on the term, 2 reviews, 1 for the midterm test and 1 for the final exam. For online learning, the course website uses OWL, which is powered by Sakai. The lecture notes are set up as bi-weekly lesson builders, with each one containing the chapters that correspond to the pre-activity quizzes and activities. Screencasts are in MP4 format for compatibility of all system types, and they highlight important concepts and examples for each chapter. There are 6 pre-activity quizzes, since there are 6 activities, and they are randomized so that each student has a unique quiz, each having 1 attempt and time for 1 hour. There are also discussion boards where the students can post and share their questions for the instructor or TAs to respond. Here is a student view of the course website. All of the tools are found in the menu bar to the left, and we have tabs for the lesson builders and organized by weeks with screencasts and lecture notes found within those tabs. Tab for tests and quizzes, gradebook, schedule, and so forth. Also, the office hours and announcements are readily available for the students. Some of the benefits of a blended course is that the course schedule is already set. You cannot get ahead or fall behind. Also, students can view the online materials such as screencasts and lecture notes as often as they wish and on their own schedule. Also, Sakai offers mobile device compatibility, so the students can study from their smartphones or their tablets. Another benefit of a blended course is the randomized pre-activity quizzes. This allows students to be familiar with the course material before they actually attend the activities. Since the class is divided into 4 lab sections, The sizes of the classes are small, which allows for one-on-one learning with the instructor and the TAs. I feel this is one of the most important benefits of the course when compared to the traditional course format. The students also get hands-on experience working on statistical concepts in the small groups and can engage in discussion. Office hours are available to the students online and offline 5 days a week. Some of the challenges we encountered while developing and conducting the course were finding suitable activities that do not require too much computation or statistical software. Also, setting up the randomized quizzes in such a way so that each student writes a similar evaluation, making it fair across the board. Also, motivating students to attend the tutorials when there wasn't an activity, and encouraging students to post and share their questions online rather than email the instructor. Here is a summary wheel of the blended course for Statistics 1024. From the center, we have the two main components, face-to-face learning and e-learning, and the corresponding course elements moving outwards to the outer ring showing collaborative communication, independent study, and one-on-one communication. So you can see that a blended course is a blend between classroom and online learning. It is an interesting new learning format that received a lot of positive feedback from the students of Statistics 1024.